Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech It's Simple. Today I'm back with another tutorial video on how to download Netflix application on your smartphone. If you want to watch a variety of award-winning TV shows, movies, anime, documentaries and keep yourself entertained, then keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. To download the Netflix application on your phone, simply go to your Play Store if you're using an Android, or if you're using an iOS operating system, you can tap open your App Store. Also make sure to have a strong internet connection to be able to download your application quick and easy. Without further delay, let me open up my Play Store, and in the search box at the top type in Netflix and make your search now. In the search results, you'll be able to see the application displayed. Simply tap on the install button to start. With the downloading process, Netflix is an American over-the-top content platform and production company that is headquartered in California. With Netflix, you can download TV shows and movies on your smartphone or even on your Windows 10 device and watch them without an internet connection. Once the application has been installed, simply tap on the Open button to open up and start with Netflix. It is that simple to download the Netflix application on your smartphone. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Again, thank you for watching.